Kamakura.
Okay, and
we're going to see the big Buddha.
Well, we're gonna see the big Buddha, and then we're also gonna go to the beach, I think. So
the beach
should be pretty fun.
Get a tan.
We'll see.
You don't need skin cancer.
You don't need a tan.
Remember,
I'm gonna get a burn.
Japan, because it is an island, has one of the highest skin cancer rates in the world, next to Australia.
Fun fact of the day.
Also happens to be an island.
Fun fact of the day. Okay, we will see y'all later.
Seen it before, afraid of what's in store, but this time I'm ready to go. Break through the laws of man into a foreign land. It's the only way to show everything we are and what we came to do. I'm feeling ready, I know I'm ready. Everything we are and what we're meant to choose. With the lights down low, it's time to let them know. I know, we're gonna take it all the way. I know, it doesn't matter what they say, 'cause when the sun shines down and wipes away the gray, I know, we're gonna take it all the way. I know, we're gonna take it all the way. I know, it doesn't matter.
We are at this gate thing.
Well, we're in Kamakura.
Oh yeah, we are in.
So we're at the torii gate. There's some rickshaws, stuff going on. Oh yeah. We are in Lawson's now, and we're getting some delicious lunch. And I think we have a sandwich and some chips. But other than that, I think we should be good. There's tons of food options, so. Iconic waffle. What?
It's not iconic, it's scones tea and waffles. I can't read.
Huh?
That's it. Maryland. That's a watermelon for 90.
Still expensive.
That's actually
So what do we have now? What do we do with our food? We got food, and where are we going with our food?
beach.
We're going to the beach. We got like a mile left to walk, but we'll get there. We found iconic waffles, and we're going to the beach. Hey, what did it say instead of iconic?
Tea, scones, and waffles.
So you can't read?
No, I can read. I just put my own artistic flair to
Okay.
tea, scones, and waffles.
Okay, makes sense. Makes
It
complete
does.
and perfect sense.
I make sense.
No. We're headed to the Uegahama Beach. I think. Uegahama? Uegahama. Yeah. That makes sense. Perfect. Awesome. Oh, we missed Toy! The Freshman's Burger!
How fresh do you think a freshman burger?
Freshman's Burger's gotta be super fresh. So how long till we take a right?
120 feet.
That's a lot shorter in a car than it is on foot, right?
It's a little bit of a hike.
We're hiking.
All these hills. Oh, those flowers smell good.
Okay, exciting story of the day. I just got pooped on by a bird. The Japanese birds are not forgiving, and neither is the wind. It was pretty disgusting.
Oh, how are we gonna eat on the beach? The kites are gonna take our food.
It's all good.
Let's find some covers.
I know, it doesn't matter what they say, 'cause when the sun shines down and wipes away the gray, I know, we're gonna take it all the way. The clock's ticking down, the eyes are looking now, I think they're ready to know.
We're at the beach.
We are?
We found the beach. We're hanging.
It's really pretty.
Yeah. It's nice. It's a really nice day to be at the beach.
Not
So.
too hot.
Yeah, the water feels good too. But there's a lot of seaweed.
I don't like the seaweed.
It's kind of gross on your feet. But you know, perks of living in Japan, right? Okay.
What they say, 'cause when the sun shines down and wipes away the gray, I know, we're gonna take it all the way. I know, we're gonna take it all the way. I know, it doesn't matter what they say, 'cause when the sun shines down and wipes away the gray, I know, we're gonna take it all the way.
And we're finishing the day with what?
Baskin
Ice
Robbins.
cream. Some Baskin Robbins ice cream. Courtney, what flavors did you get?
lemon, orange sorbet, Pop Rocks, coffee, and something I don't know.
Me, I got orange sorbet with strawberry ice cream with vanilla with Pop Rocks.
And I got strawberry cheesecake. Plain strawberry cheesecake because
They give you a spoon.
for the cone. Kind of weird. Go to Japan.
Neat.